Oh god, Freddy Fazbear! Freddy Fazbear! Alright, I'm gonna be playing the new level in OG Fun Monkey Horror. It's called Area 51. And this is what it looks like.
Guys,
Wait, it's Benjamin Butnerd!
follow me, guys.
Giggity giggity!
Follow me.
Giggity! Yo, why does this look like some type of Super Mario 64 type of crap? There's nothing in here.
Freddy!
Freddy Fazbear! Freddy Fazbear! Freddy Fazbear! Wait, Rustin is calling me. Rustin is calling me. Hold on. Wait, can you go through the walls? Hold on. Alright. Bro, Rustin, dude, I'm playing the new level at OG Fun Monkey Horror. I'm freaking Randy. It's called Area 51. And there's a bunch of monsters in it. What?
I'm pretty fast.
You did? Alright, hold on.
This is more peak than beat up.
Wait, Super Sonic. It's Super Sonic EXE.
This is more peak than meetup.
Hey, it's Benjamin Butnerd!
This is a lot more peak than meetup.
What do we do in this map, bruh?
Just outrun the monsters, that's
It's
all.
Benjamin Retard.
Trust.
Mad boy. I'm so happy.
Yeah, he's pretty hairy.
How do you turn off my
Where, bro? Oh my god, he almost, oh my god. I almost got hairy. Oh my god.
Slenderman is chasing me.
Guys, where are you? Help me, I'm lost.
And I'm gonna get diddled. What is this place? Oh god, I don't like that.
Hi, Sonic.
No.
Get me out of here. Get me out of here.
Guys, everyone, follow me. I can get you out of here. I can get you out of
No, Freddy Fazbear! Freddy Fazbear! Freddy Fazbear! No, Freddy Fazbear! Freddy Diddle Bear! Bro, he's gonna do 100. He's gonna do 100 diddles. I'm gonna get 100. I'm gonna get diddled 100 times. I just got jump scared by Super Sonic. What? Sure. Of course. Wait, is that? Is that what? No, it's not. No, it's not. No, it's not. What a bus there. Bus What? What?
Thank you.
Yeah.
Is that Sonic?
Watch him shake it like a good boy. Watch Sonic shake it like a good boy.
Alright.
Sonic, more like Sonic.
Put a bus. Oh god, put a bus. I'm about to bus. What?
These buttons don't work. Buttons don't work.
Oh, that sounds very Legma. It's kind of boring over here. Alright, what?
Games don't.
Oh my god, I
Alright. Alright,
Stop doing that, that's weird.